Let's build a portfolio website for a graphic designer using Builder. We'll enter the prompt. Tasker will then develop a plan. If any resources are needed, it will conduct a web search and additional research to facilitate the website construction. Tasker categorizes this as a website building task and commences the build. It determines if a backend is necessary, and if so, it proceeds to create one. In this instance, a Google Sheet will serve as the database. This will store information from potential clients. As you see, the website has been created, and it looks fantastic. A few images have been pulled in, but they can be switched out later. Now, let's add a test user and examine how it appears on the back end. Following a successful check, it will open the Google Sheet, which is essentially our backend. Here we can see that John Doe test has been added as a contact submission. Next, let's add an action trigger. In this case, when a contact submission is created, we want a specific action to occur. We'll search for the user. This trigger has been added so that when someone submits a new contact, Tasker will conduct research on our behalf and send a quick analysis of the user.